9 out of 10 drivers have no idea their car is hiding features that could save them money, prevent breakdowns, and make driving way easier. And the craziest part? You probably use your car every day while ignoring these hidden functions. Today, I'm revealing 17 secret car features almost nobody knows about, including one that can save you thousands in repairs. Do not skip. This video will save you money, time, and maybe even your life. Let's start with secret number 17. Secret number 17, hidden keyhole and backed up key. Your key fob dies, you're locked outside your car, panic starts rising. But here's what most drivers don't know. Inside almost every modern key fob, there's a hidden mechanical key. Just slide the tiny latch on the side or back, pull, boom, backup key. And the keyhole? Often hidden behind a small plastic cover on your door handle. This tiny feature can save you a $200 locksmith bill at midnight. Secret number 16. The traction control button. That button with a car and squiggly lines behind it, most people ignore it. It's traction control, and knowing when to use it can literally save you from sliding off the road. Turn it on for ice, rain, gravel, slippery roads. But here's the twist. If your car is stuck in snow or mud, traction control hurts you by cutting power. So, stuck? Turn it off. Free again? Turn it back on. You'll look like a driving pro while everyone else is spinning their wheels. Secret number 15. Turn off lane warnings. That constant beep beep nagging you every time you change lanes, you can turn it off. Look for a button with a car between two dotted lines, press and hold, lane departure warning, off. Some cars hide the option in the infotainment menu, but trust me, it's worth finding. Secret number 14. AC recirculation button. That button with a circular arrow inside a car, it's not just recirculating air, it's your air quality shield. Turn it on when you're behind a smoky truck, near a farm, or in heavy pollution. Benefits: stops outside fumes, keeps cabin air cleaner, makes the AC cool up to 20% faster, and protects your air filter from clogging. A single button, cleaner lungs, and more efficient AC. Secret number 13. Steering wheel adjustment lever. Most drivers never adjust their steering wheel, even though the lever is right under it. Pull it, and you can raise, lower, tilt, or telescope the wheel. Correct fit means better driving posture, proper airbag alignment, less neck and back pain, clearer view of the dashboard. 10 seconds of adjustment, years of comfort.
Secret number 12. Pull out sun visor extension.
Your sun visor doesn't block that annoying side glare because you forgot the hidden part. Many visors have a sliding extension tucked inside. Pull it out, side glare gone. Safer, clearer driving. Most drivers discover this accidentally after years.
Secret number 11. Hazard light hidden modes.
Some modern cars have a secret emergency feature built into the hazard light button. Long press to activate a special emergency flash pattern. Double tap to slower, high visibility flashing for fog or nighttime. Luxury cars like BMW, Audi, Mercedes sometimes even activate maximum brightness mode, turning your car into a roadside beacon. Most drivers, they press it once and walk away. Your hazard button might be smarter than you think.
Secret number 10. Fuel cap arrow.
Don't know which side your fuel cap is on? Look at the little fuel pump icon on your dashboard. There's a tiny arrow pointing left or right. That's where your fuel cap is. This has been standard since the 90s, yet half of all drivers still guess wrong.
Secret number 9. Fuel cap holder.
Inside your gas door, there's a small hook or notch. It's there to hold your fuel cap. Letting the cap hang or sitting it on your car's roof allows dirt to get inside the fuel system, which can clog injectors, which can ruin the engine. That's a $3,000 repair avoided with a 2-second habit.
Secret number 8. Open all windows with your remote.
In many cars, holding the unlock button on the key fob for a few seconds makes all windows roll down automatically. Perfect for hot summer days, ventilating a parked car, releasing trapped heat before you enter. Some cars need 2 presses and hold, but the feature is there.
Secret number 7. Shift lock override.
Battery dead, car stuck in park, can't move it out of the way? There's a hidden solution. Near the gear selector is a tiny slot labeled Shift Lock Release. Pop the cover, press the button inside with your key, and now you can shift to neutral. This purely mechanical override can save you in an emergency when your electronics fail.
Secret number 6. Rear view mirror anti-glare tab.
Those blinding headlights behind you at night? Your mirror has a fix. Flip the little toggle or lever under it. It changes the angle of the reflective surface, reducing glare without blocking your view of traffic. Old school, but extremely effective.
Secret number 5. Icy road dashboard warning.
Ever seen that little snowflake icon appear? It means the temperature is low enough for ice to form, especially black ice. Modern cars even change the color from yellow to red when danger increases. Some even share road data with nearby cars. It's a tiny symbol, but a massive safety feature.
Secret number 4. Glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle.
Every car built after 2002 has a glow-in-the-dark emergency trunk release. Pull it, and the trunk opens from the inside. It saves lives in kid lock-ins, accidents, emergencies, worst-case scenarios. Most drivers never look for it.
Secret number 3. Hidden storage compartments.
Many SUVs, trucks, and some sedans have secret compartments. Under seats, under the floor, inside armrests, behind panels. Perfect for valuables, tools, documents, emergency items. Some are even waterproof. You probably have storage you've never opened.
Secret number 2. Speed-sensitive volume.
If your car's volume gets louder on the highway and softer at lights, you're not imagining it. It's speed-sensitive volume control. It automatically adjusts music based on road noise. No more reaching for the volume knob. And the secret number 1, walk away auto lock. Ever walk away and think, wait, did I lock the car? Modern cars have a feature that locks automatically when the key fob moves out of range. You can usually enable it in the settings menu. Benefits: no more forgetting to lock, reduced theft risk, instant peace of mind. This feature exists in many cars. Owners just never turn it on. How many of these did you already know? Which one surprised you the most? If this video saved you money or taught you something new, hit like and subscribe for more smart car hacks. And if you think these were useful, you haven't seen anything yet. Click the next video. Mechanics never tell you these tricks.